Hey there, Mad Money viewers! Today we're diving headfirst into the AI gold rush, and trust me, this ain't no bubble. We're talking about the magnificent 7 tech titans leading the charge in artificial intelligence. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, and Meta. These companies are pouring billions into AI, and for a good reason. AI is the future, folks. It's already transforming everything from healthcare to finance, and the companies that control this technology will rule the world. We've got Meta and Tesla, two very different companies taking very different approaches to AI. Meta's all in on the metaverse, using AI to create immersive virtual worlds. Tesla, on the other hand, is leveraging AI to power its self-driving cars. Both companies are making big bets, but who will come out on top? Let's break it down. Now, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is no stranger to controversy. They've been making headlines for all the wrong reasons lately. But let me tell you, their AI ambitions are nothing short of staggering. Zuckerberg is betting the farm on the metaverse, and AI is the key to making this virtual world a reality. They're investing billions in AI research and development, and their data centers are working overtime to power these immersive experiences. Just look at their capital expenditures. Meta's projected to shell out a whopping $30 billion on AI infrastructure this year alone. That's more than some countries spend on their entire military. They're going all in on AI, but is it enough? Can Zuckerberg and his team pull it off? Let's face it, Meta's had a bumpy ride lately. The transition from Facebook to Meta hasn't exactly been smooth sailing. They've faced criticism over privacy concerns, misinformation, and their impact on society. And now, with this massive investment in AI, the pressure is on. Wall Street's watching their every move, and the clock is ticking. They need to start showing returns on these investments, or investors will get spooked. Meta's facing an uphill battle, folks. They need to convince the world that the metaverse is more than just a fad and that they're the right company to build it. Section 4, Broadcom, the unsung hero of AI infrastructure. Now let's talk about Broadcom. They might not be as flashy as Meta, but they're a powerhouse in the world of AI infrastructure. These guys make the chips that power the data centers that make AI possible. They're like the silent partner, the unsung hero behind the scenes, but don't let their low profile fool you. They're raking in cash hand over fist, and their client list reads like a who's who of the tech world. We're talking about companies like Google, Amazon, and yes, even Meta. They all rely on Broadcom's chips to power their AI ambitions. Section 5, Meta versus Broadcom, a tale of two valuations. So let's talk numbers, folks. Meta's currently valued at over $1 trillion, while Broadcom sits at a more modest yet still impressive $300 billion. Meta's valuation is built on the promise of the metaverse, a future that's still uncertain. Broadcom, on the other hand, is a cash cow, generating billions in profits today. Now, I'm not saying Meta's a bad investment. They have the potential to be a huge player in the AI space, but Broadcom is the safer bet, the steady Eddie that's already delivering results. By the end of 2025, I wouldn't be surprised to see Broadcom's valuation surpassing Meta's. They're well positioned to capitalize on the AI boom, and their strong financials give them a clear advantage. So there you have it, folks. The AI gold rush is on, and these two companies are leading the charge. But remember, in the world of investing, it's not always about who's the biggest or the flashiest. Sometimes the real winners are the quiet giants, the ones building the foundations of the future.